Hey guys, it's Naturally Nefertiti here. If you want to see how I did this amazing braid and curl, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm just going to take out my ponytail. And then what you'll need today is a spray bottle filled with warm water. You'll need clips and a comb to detangle. The products I'm using today are the Camille Rose Naturals Almond J Twisting Butter, as well as the Camille Rose Naturals Lavender Crush Defining Gel. So first, I'm going to clip away my hair. So I'm going to work on one half at a time. Each half will have 3 sections with 2 braids each. So that's a total of 6 braids on each side. So the sections are medium size. So section out enough hair for 2 chunky braids. If you want to do more braids, that's fine. Just make your braids smaller. If you want to do less braids, then make your braids bigger. So first, we're going to spray the hair down with water. And I don't want my hair to be soaking wet, but I definitely want it to be damp so that the style will set well. Then I'm going to add a generous portion of the twisting butter. Then detangle to make sure your hair is knot free and it's nice and smooth for the style. So once your hair is nice and smooth, you're going to add some of the gel to your hair, and this will help with definition and the style holding for a few days at least. Now I divide that bigger section into 2 pieces and clip away the other piece. And then I'm just going to begin braiding with 3 strands. So just starting from the root, I separate my hair into 3 pieces. And then I begin to braid one over the other, one over the other. I braid down about 3/4 of the way, and then the last 1/4 of my hair is going to be a finger coil. So I wet it again, add some more gel, detangle if I need to, and then I coil the hair around my index finger. If your hair doesn't coil well, you could also add small perm rods or flexi rods to the end, and you'll get the same exact look. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other piece in that larger section. So again, I'm going to divide my hair into 3 separate pieces and braid one over the other. And then when I get about 3/4 the way down, I'm going to re-wet my hair, add more gel, and finger coil. The reason why I like to finger coil at the end is because instead of braiding all the way down, the finger coil adds a nice curl to the end instead of it being stringy with the braids. So that's why I started coiling the ends of my hair, because it just gives you a nice curly afro look without having to do the work of an entire finger coil. So I'm going to repeat that on the remaining 2 sections of my hair. First, I'll spray my hair down with water. Then I'll add the twisting butter, detangle, and follow that up with some gel. I'll separate the section into 2 and braid each section, then finger coil the ends. So once I'm done, I'll have 6 braids on this side, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back. And I'll repeat this on the other side. All right, so I'm all done. This took about 25 to 30 minutes to complete. And now I'm just going to add some oil to seal my hair. So I like to use sweet almond oil because it's a pretty thin oil, but it's still very moisturizing. And this will just seal in all the moisture that I put into my hair. And then I'm going to tie it up and go to bed. So it's the next morning, and I let my hair dry overnight, and it is like 98% dry. I'm going to add some more almond oil to my hair for shine and to the tips of my fingers so that I can prevent frizz when I am unraveling my hair. I just gently unravel each braid starting at the bottom, and I like to unravel all of my hair first before I go in and separate the pieces. So this is what my hair looks like fully separated. I separated each piece into about 2 or 3 sections. And the next time I use these products, I think I'll definitely use more product because I did get a lot more frizz than I usually get when I do this style. So I would say either use more twisting butter or use more gel to get more definition on the first day. But I don't mind the frizz just because it makes my hair look bigger. And you can see what I mean with the curly ends that the coils create. So I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb and pick out my roots just to add more volume. So I like to go in between my sections and pick at the root. And then I also pick along the strand just to add volume all around and give me the shape that I like. So you can see the difference between the pick side and the non-pick side. So I'm going to do that to the other side, and then I am all done. Overall, I really liked how this style came out. Braiding curls are one of my favorite styles to do just because they're so easy and they don't take a long time. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. We'd love to have you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.